Hello everybody, my name is Darren and welcome to this short video on how to make money with Bitcoin in November 2017 for beginners. But before I start, please do me a favor, click on the subscribe button below, and also if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. That one down there. Have you subscribed? Have you? Have you? Okay, without further ado, here we go. Okay, just as a bit of background, in case you don't know what Bitcoin is a currency. It's exactly the same as the USD or the Euro or the GBP or the Yen or all the other currencies, except it's an intangible currency. There aren't any notes or coins. It's a digital currency. It's designed specifically for trading over the internet. What makes it really unique is that it's decentralized. It's not restricted by the boundaries of a country or an institution. It has no government which is running it, and it has no institution which decides how many notes or coins to print. It's entirely anonymous, and the ledger for all the transactions is worldwide, and it's publicly available. And that's what makes it so powerful. So where does Bitcoin come from? Well, it's a little bit like gold and silver in that it's mined, but it's not mined by people or machines, it's mined by computers. And those computers, which are all connected together, form the blockchain network. And it's this blockchain network which makes cryptocurrency so very, very powerful. Just like with normal currency, there's lots of websites where you can buy Bitcoin. And there's lots of places where you can buy things with Bitcoin and spend your Bitcoin. So don't think of Bitcoin as this hugely technical, inaccessible thing which you could never possibly get involved with. That's not the case at all. It's just a currency, like all the others. But there's one thing which is fundamentally different. Come on, I'll show you. Have a look at this. And the difference is value. Take a look at this. This is the trading chart for the UK pound for the last 12 months against the US dollar. 12 months ago, the pound was worth pretty much about $1.22. And today, right now, it's worth $1.32. That's an increase in value of around about 7 or 8%, depending on the exact particulars of when you start the clock and start counting. That's not bad. It's a safe, steady growth. Not much, but it's growth. Let's look at the euro. The euro is a little better. About a year ago, this is over the same time period, the euro was worth just over $1. Let's just say 103, 104, round about there. Today, it's worth 1.16. That's a little bit better growth. That's 11, 12%, certainly more than 10, certainly less than 15. Slightly more respectable. Now, here's the difference. Let's look at Bitcoin for the last year. You ready? Here we go. Told you so. Right. At the beginning of the year, a Bitcoin was around about $900, maybe slightly more, thereabouts. Today, one Bitcoin is $6,219 for one Bitcoin. For one. Now that's 650% growth, or thereabouts. Certainly very, very, very good. And this is what makes the Bitcoin so exciting. This is why so many people are getting involved in Bitcoin, and this is how so many people are making profit from Bitcoin. Okay, now let me show you how. So here is the Bitcoin chart zoomed in. This is around about the last couple of weeks. And as you can see, it's extremely volatile. On the whole, the value of the Bitcoin, remember the graph, is going up. And the trend suggests that it will continue to do so. But when you want to trade on a daily or a weekly basis, you can see it's actually going to be quite difficult in this environment. As a beginner, you don't know how to recognize the buying signals and the selling signals on these candlestick charts. It's almost like you need to entrust someone or something to do the buying for you. And if you could do that, you'd be able to relax. And you'd probably be able to mitigate the losses which you will definitely incur through inexperience. So my first piece of advice would be simply to buy some Bitcoin and hold it. You've seen for yourself using the charts that the value trend is generally on the up. When you zoom in and you look at the charts under these levels of detail, you can see it's incredibly volatile. And there's a lot of people out there who know and understand how and when to trade. They recognize the buying signals and they recognize the selling signals in all of this activity. If only there was some way for us to tap into that skill set, that knowledge, that buying power, and the ability to be able to trade 24/7 and get the best possible return. Well, you know what? There is. There is. You can buy Bitcoin and you can lend it to Bitconnect. And Bitconnect will give that money to their trading bot. And their trading bot will pay out around about 1% a day. That's about 30% a month profit. Yep, 30% a month. Do you want me to show you how? Come on. So this is my second piece of advice. Join Bitconnect. This is the big one. This is where the money is. It's quite complicated, but as a beginner, I'm just going to keep it real simple. Joining Bitconnect and opening an account is a little bit like having a bank account which pays 30% interest every single month. If you don't touch it, if you don't do anything. But what makes Bitconnect different and so exciting is you get paid interest every single day. And it's up to you what you do with that interest. You can withdraw it and spend it on whatever you want, or you can reinvest it every single day. And that's called compound interest. And that's when things get really interesting. So, very quickly, click on the link below and join Bitconnect. And just as a little bonus for you, when you join Bitconnect, if you use my referral code, which you can see here, when you do your first lend, contact me in the comments below or send me an email through my website, the link is below, and I will give you 7% of your first lend back to you directly in Bitcoin. So on day one, you'll make 7% return. Don't forget to get in contact with me. It's got to be that way around. I can't see you. You can only see me. Now, after you've joined Bitconnect and you've received the confirmation email and you've been able to successfully log in, this is the Bitconnect control panel. And we'll come back to this in a second. Now, let's go buy some Bitcoin. Dead easy. Head over to Coinbase.com and create an account there. And on Coinbase, when you've been through the sign up, you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin, quite simply by using the buy sell button. And when you buy Bitcoin, you simply put in the amount that you want to buy, let's say £100 or dollars or whatever your base currency is. You click on buy and then you confirm. And then once you've bought that, they deposit it into your Bitcoin wallet. You're going to have a wallet with Coinbase. You're going to have a wallet with Bitconnect. And what we're going to do now is we're going to move our Bitcoin from the Coinbase wallet to the Bitconnect wallet. It's just like doing a funds transfer. So what you do is go to your Bitconnect control panel, and here you can see Receive Bitcoin. Click on there. And this is the address of your Bitcoin wallet inside Bitconnect. It's a bit like the sort code and the IBAN number and the bank account number of your normal bank. But you need this long digit. This is really important. And make sure you take it from this green button here, not this green button, not at this stage. Take it from this one. Just for confirmation, there. Okay, so copy this number and go back to Coinbase, and then you click on send and you paste that address in there. You'll get a little green dot saying that the address format is valid, and then you put how much you want to send. Actually, I've only got £2 in here, so I don't have enough to be able to do an actual transfer. But you'll figure it out. It's dead easy. You click on continue, confirm the transaction. You'll get a text message asking you to input an authorization code. Do that, and then pretty much straight away, you will see a new pending transaction come in here. And it takes around about half an hour to 45 minutes for your Bitcoin to move from Coinbase into Bitconnect. And when it does, you'll see your Bitcoin balance here. The next thing we need to do is transfer your Bitcoin into your Bitconnect wallet. And quite simply, we do that inside the exchange. So click on this button here. Once the exchange is loaded, scroll down to about here, and we're interested in the selling orders because exchanging it is a process of buying Bitconnect coin. So this is quite a daunting screen, but just follow these simple steps and you'll just go straight through it. What you do is click in the selling orders, click on the top blue box, then click all on this button here, and then click Buy Bitconnect Coin. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction. Just confirm it. And then after a minute or two, you'll see you'll have a balance in your Bitconnect wallet, and your Bitcoin wallet will be empty. You've done it. You've transferred into Bitconnect. So coming back to the lend, on this screen, you basically type in how many dollars you want to lend, and you'll see your Bitconnect wallet value here. And you've got to kind of match up how many dollars you want to invest with the Bitconnect amount. You can't type in the Bitconnect amount, unfortunately. You've got to actually type it in dollars. You'll figure it out once you've had a couple of goes. And once you've got it right, you click on Pay from Bitconnect Wallet. And don't forget to tick in the box. And then that's it. Your capital will be locked at this range of investment for 299 days. If you invest more, your capital is locked for a lot less. Now, do you want to see how much you can earn? Do you want to see? Come on. So, over the last 6 months, on average, Bitconnect has paid out 0.94% every single day. Profit. So if you loan or lend $100, you're going to be getting 94 cents on average every single day. So let's just do that. You lend a principal of $100 and you know it's going to be locked away for 299 days. So your profit is going to be $281, 281% return over 299 days. So the profit with principal is $381. If you loan a little bit more over the same period, remember I said about the 10? This is going to give us a little bit of a kicker as well. You're going to make 310% profit. Now remember, the trading bot, sounds unbelievable, but the trading bot understands how and when to buy. And that's how Bitconnect makes its money. And that's how Bitconnect makes us money. Because every single day we make interest. Very, very, very rarely is there a 0% day. I've been doing this a couple of months. I haven't seen one. I'm sure other people have. But if you loan more than 1,010, you're always going to get that little kicker bonus as well. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't done it already. Come on, click that red button. It helps me a lot because otherwise YouTube just never plays your videos. You've got to pay for adverts like I'm doing for this. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Good luck with your venture. Good luck with your investment. And don't forget to click on the link below to join Bitconnect. When you do and you introduce your first lend, get in contact with me. You can leave a comment in the video below. You can call me on my mobile phone or send me a text. You'll find that inside the referral area, inside the Bitconnect dashboard. Tell me your username and tell me how much you've loaned, and I will authenticate and check that you're not just somebody trying to get some free Bitcoin. And if I can find you, I will send you 7% of your first loan straight away. That's an immediate return of 7%. Anything from $100 to 100,000. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. And if you can afford to lose it, use it. See ya.